Trump slams Boeing deal for new Air Force One. President-elect Donald Trump on Tuesday called for the government to cancel a deal with aircraft manufacturer Boeing for development of the next generation of Air Force One, citing concerns about cost overruns. The Air Force signed deals with Boeing in January and July to design certain aspects of the new presidential aircraft, including its interior, electrical and power system, and maintenance systems. The U.S. Government Accountability Office estimated in March that the entire program would cost about $3.2 billion from the 2010 through 2020 fiscal years, including $2 billion for research and development.